What is going on, everyone? My name is Time Traveler 65, and welcome back to Scrap Mechanic. Jonah, I didn't tell you what we were doing today. Guess what we're doing today?
What?
We're racing thrusters.
How are we gonna do that?
Look behind you. Whoops, my bad. That's out of position. Alright, so here you see 4 thrusters, do you not?
I do.
Alright, what do you see? What colors?
Black, blue, and pink, and yellow.
Hey,
Whoops.
change it back. This is for science. You hit
I have no idea.
the right click button. Right click button. Jonah, what on earth are you doing?
How do I differentiate my colors?
You hit Q, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, I'm going to be getting a rocket set up right now at full blast. You're going to be riding it. Alright, Johnny, you ready to have the ride of your life?
Yes.
I don't think you are. The only reason I'm putting you on it is because I need somebody manning the thruster. So we're going to start out with the regular thruster at full speed. Oh, you're facing the wrong direction, but you know, whatever. Give me a quick second. Feel free to turn it off anytime now. Oh my gosh. Just get rid of the thruster. Hey, you made them all alike. That's not right. Alright, how did it go? What was the pattern? Alright, so pink, purple, then okay, that. Alright, Jonah, bring it back. We need it back. I realize I put your feet on backwards, but we will fix that. Alright, hold on, Jonah. Hold on, I'm bringing it back. Jonah, bring it back. Come back. Alright, so that was the weakest rocket at full blast. Now we're gonna up it. Now we're gonna bring it up. Jonah, sit down. Alright, now let's
Once
see how fast
again,
this
wrong
goes.
way.
Let's see how fast this goes. Oh my gosh.
I went up the false ring. Now I don't have the problem.
No, Jonah! No, why would you do that? Anyway, get back here.
Because there was an error with my game.
Get back here. I need you.
Okay. This time make me go the right direction of the chair.
I will. Don't worry. Oh, you know what? I need to run some tests.
I need to run some of my boats.
What? Okay, there's that. And then going to create another one right beside it. Feel free to spray paint it if you like. Since you're the test subject. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I know what I could do. Alright, Jonah. I'm going to quickly... I'm going to help you spray paint this thing so we can get this done. I'm going to replace the engine with this because I don't need an engine. You want it red? Or is it all red? Close enough.
Are you sure this is the right way that I'm facing?
Yeah. Give me a quick second. I'm saving this. Alright, save. So that's that. We have a few references.
Make sure you move
So this is the first
left and
This is the first engine.
north
Ready?
using...
Go. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's the first engine.
Woohoo! I'm coming!
Alright, that's the weakest. Now get back here.
I guess.
My bad, wrong one.
How about you teleport over here?
No. I need you over here.
Jeremiah's in the house.
Yeah, I don't really care. Get back here. We're testing thrusters.
Okay.
Hurry up already. I want to try this.
Guys.
How did you get in here?
No, I just want to tell you guys.
How did you get in the locked room?
Okay, so I just got this new case and it comes with a pen.
That's nice. Did you know that I'm in the middle of a recording?
Well, how am I supposed to know?
The room is locked for a reason.
I'm not even at your house. So how am I supposed to know if you're recording?
Because I lock my rooms all the time when I'm recording. Hurry up, Jonah.
Jonah invited me.
Jonah.
Okay, that time it was not on purpose.
Sure.
Oh, it's
Like
not
it
even
was
happening.
on purpose.
Alright, Jonah, you ready? 3,
Yes.
Guys, wanna play
2,
some? No, wanna play
1.
some game?
Oh!
Yo, Noah.
Yeah.
Jonah.
Noah.
That's the
Yeah,
strongest
what?
engine.
When you're done playing with Jonah, wanna play some?
Go to friends? Yeah, sure.
Okay, Jonah.
Okay, but after, wanna play some Gmod?
Maybe.
What? But I don't have it.
Alright, Jonah. Third rocket.
Alright, I'm gonna leave. Bye.
Bye. This is
Okay.
the third rocket, Jonah. It's level 3. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Where did you go? Oh, I see you. Where did the rocket go?
It like blasted it up into the sky.
Oh my gosh, Jonah.
Imagine,
Alright, Jonah.
imagine you're on a rocket and you hit the sun.
Alright, Jonah. You ready? This is the ultimate dark matter thruster.
And is there a reason I should be scared?
Yeah, because it's dark matter.
Once again, what's dark matter? Give me a sec, I have to do something very quickly.
Well, hurry up, because this thing is ready to go. I don't know what you're doing. You seriously have to spray paint those? Those are display models. This is the this is the level 4 thruster. 3, 2, 1. Bruh! Why is the truck is the RV flying?
Because that's how much power it had.
Oh, John, we're doing this again.
No.
You need to be on it.
Okay.
Great, now my game is lagging out because of you. We're gonna need to restart it. Alright. Jonah, please don't jump off.
Okay.
We're doing this for science. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Where did you go? Don't tell me you're up there. No, that can't possibly be you. Are you over there? No, that's not you. Where did you go?
I'm up in the sky falling.
I don't see you.
to die, I'm gonna change my coloring of what I had.
I still
This is
don't
a very
see you. I
long
have
time.
no clue where you are.
Probably because I'm still falling.
You're still falling?
Yes.
Jeez, I still don't see you. Actually, I see something
Because
falling.
I yes.
No, that's not you. Those are 2 rockets. There goes one. I still have no idea where you are. Anyway, now it's time to test a car. Actually, hold on. What do I have here? Well, let's
No,
see.
I'm still falling. I'm still falling.
Yeah, I have to make my own.
I'm falling to my doom right here.
Oh, you're not
Nobody
falling to
even
your doom.
listens.
Just hurry back here.
I can't. It's like there's no. This is like a bottomless pit.
It's not bottomless
But
pit. Shit.
it's going nowhere.
Well, a rocket just came blasting past me. Oh, wait, I think I see you. No, that's another rocket. It's causing the game to lag. I may need to make a new server. Yeah, let's go ahead and make a new server. Let's trash this one.
Oh, and by the way, unlock this.
Why? Deleting
Like,
this.
unlock house party
Okay,
so
new
other
game.
people can join.
Create. Flat world. Name. Steam, we'll name it that. Need the mod packs installed. And create. Alright. It's downloading.
I'm joining game.
Great. Alright.
Great.
I'm in.
Alright, I'm in.
Okay. Okie dokie. Now we're going to be testing
Okay.
engines.
Engines.
Are you just repeating everything I say?
What was I say?
Yeah, you are. Gas engine 3 what?
Yeah, you are.
Well, I need this. We're going to be testing gas engines first. That. Level 3, level 2. Wait, what? Level 3. Level ludicrous speed. Give me a second, I'm getting them. Alright, now I got the 4 engines. Gonna be using a wood block. Did you stop?
Wait, you see me?
Yes, I see you.
Well, too bad. No turkey, Matabugi.
And then I'm gonna get a wheel.
My game is. Can I spray paint you? No, I can't spray paint.
Okay, that's just a regular gas engine. Good. Alright. Jonah, would you stop?
Are you gonna start recording?
I still am recording.
Hello, my name is Time Traveler 65.
Okay, that's not funny.
56. Okay,
Okay, we're just gonna make it a simple car with wheels. Sure, you
First,
can
can I finish my spray painting?
Yeah, you can finish your spray painting. I'm not done yet.
Hey!
It's just gonna shoot forward. There's still a ton of blocks that need to be colored. Okay, now we got wheels. Wheels. And another wheel. Last wheel. Boom. Alright, now hold on. I want to place a lift down. I want to lift this up. Alright, there we go. That works. And then we will put a seat right here. Facing this direction. We will grab the regular gas engine. Give me a quick second. I'm gonna hook
Wait, can
all
you put
this
a
up.
thruster on?
What? No, we're not
Can you
testing
put a
thrusters.
thruster on?
We're not testing thrusters right
No,
now.
you have to get rid of the lift. You have to get rid of the lift.
No, I don't.
I still can't move.
Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna slowly turn up your engines and see how fast you go. Actually, hold on. I'm saving this design so I don't need to keep building it. And so that you don't need to keep spray painting it. So, I'll name this
Red or something?
engine
Like
test.
the red eagle?
I don't care if I misspell it. There we go. Alright, now hold on. I'm gonna be on your car too, slowly raising up your, what's it called? Don't go anywhere. Jonah? Jonah, stop. We're testing this. Stop moving very quickly. Stop moving. Alright, oh shoot, okay. Well, let's go with this. And like a little side cart for me. Alright, you ready?
Wait.
Oh, for Pete's sake. You know, I'll just save this. Keep painting. Johnny, you may want to hold on to something. For Pete's sake, how did you fall off? Get on.
Give me a second, I'm almost done. Ah, there we go.
Alright, we're backing this up. Alright, give me a quick second.
And boy!
Alright, we can stop right here.
Wait!
John, are you ready? Actually, hold on. Let me quickly save this design now.
Hey!
Shoot. Okay. Engine. Car. Shoot, what did I name the other one?
The test thing?
Okay, delete this. Delete this blueprint. Alright, you're driving. I am boosting. Alright. Start driving. Jonah.
You forgot to move the lift.
Oh, I did?
The lift!
Oh, hey, I did. Wait for me. Alright, you ready? Just go straight. Go straight. We're testing out how fast you can go. Jonah, what the heck did you do? Like, for the slightest second, I look away outside my window, and you did this. Jonah, what? Jonah! Get back here! Now look at what you did. Jonah, do you want to be the person turning up the engine?
No.
Then knock it off.
Okay. Did you remove the lift? Yes, you did.
Jonah!
I'm so sorry.
Okay, fine, you know what? Skip the other few. We're going at full speed. Don't move until I'm on. Alright, let's go. Wait! For Pete's sake, Jonah.
What?
For Pete's sake. Anyway. Time to switch engines. Get down here. You're gonna swap out your engine for a level 2 engine. Okay, now I need to rewire everything. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's make sure everything is going the right direction. Alright. Jonah! Jonah, unmute yourself. Jonah, you muted yourself on House Party.
Oh.
Alright, so I have the gas engine off right now because of you. Try going anywhere. Yeah, you can't go anywhere, can you? Alright, Jonah, get in the seat.
Okay.
No, 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 no. No, get in the seat.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I couldn't resist.
That's at 1 speed. Alright. Jonah, don't move until I tell you to. Okay, go. Oh my gosh. Go. It looks like you're galloping. Oh my gosh. Hold on, wait. Let me give you some weight. Let's see. What's heavy? This is not heavy. This is heavy. Oh shoot. We kind of need everything here. Jonah, would you stop? You muted yourself again. We're recording. Yeah, stop doing. Jonah,
What?
stop muting yourself.
What? I was laughing so hard I didn't want the audience to hear it.
That's the whole point. Alright, I just added some weight to you. Hold on.
Are you sure it's gonna work?
Alright, go. See what happens.
You can make yourself a little penthouse.
No, that's fine. Just go. Drive forward.
We moved the lift!
Oh, that's what I thought. Jonah! Okay, this thing is still way too light. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? I think we're running a bit short on time right now. We'll just skip to the last one. This, I think, is level 4. Shoot, I need the wiring tool. Give me that wiring tool. Okay, connect that to that. Oh, it's already connected. Wait, no, it's not. That's going the wrong direction. And there we go. Alright, Jonah, let's see what happens. Whoa! Okay, wait, Jonah. Wait till I take you off the lift and then go. Go. Oh my gosh, this thing is so powerful. I gave you the level 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope I did. Alright, now I wanna... No, I'm gonna swap out for the ludicrous... Oh, wait.
Ludicrous speed?
We didn't do the ludicrous speed.
Wait.
Jonah, we didn't do the ludicrous speed.
We didn't?
No, we didn't. That's a problem. We need to go ludicrous speed.
What does that mean?
You don't know what that means? It means I'm controlling.
Because I can't handle the power.
Oh my gosh.
Timer!
Jonah, place me on the left. No, Jonah, you gotta place me on the left. For Pete's sake, what are you doing? You can't click on the thing and put it on the left. For Pete's sake, Jonah. Oh, hey, you did it. Remove the lift. Okay, this is at full speed. Oh, Jonah! Now look at what you did.
I can do it, Noah.
You need a heavier car. Jonah!
It was going so smooth.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Anyway, well, unfortunately, that is all that we have for you today. Guys, if you liked it, make sure to give it that thumbs up rating. And hey, if you're new around here, why not try subscribing for more content just like this? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye!